A Brevard County drug agent hailed as one of the best in his field is off the beat tonight.
He is suspected of driving under the influence of those same drugs that he was supposed to be getting off the streets.
Here's investigative reporter Tony Pipitone uncovering even more about the drugs in his body and in his vehicle and the effect his arrest is having on drug cases.
James Wheeler was Cocoa Beach Police Officer of the Year in 2004, later assigned to the Brevard County Sheriff's Drug Task Force, where he arrested dozens of people for having prescription drugs. Like those investigative records indicate, he had in his system and in his vehicle on April 19th. That's when drivers reported seeing Wheeler's undercover pickup truck careening wildly down several roads. One of the witnesses' calls to 911 was recorded.
Wow, he's riding right down the middle of the road now. He's on the left-hand side of the road. Whoa!
Wheeler was arrested for allegedly driving under the influence, reckless driving, and leaving the scene where he struck this trash can. Wheeler was unsteady.
Hold on. Okay.
But he showed no signs of alcohol use.
Hold on.
So the investigation turned to drugs.
Are you on any medication?
I'm on blood pressure medicine and cholesterol medication.
Turned out, according to the results of his urine screen, he had other drugs in his system, including the powerful painkiller oxycodone, anti-anxiety drugs alprazolam, or Xanax, and meprobamate, sometimes called Milltown. Also in the truck, police say these pills, which markings indicate are prescription-only drugs. Titusville police said they found evidence Wheeler had a prescription for one of the 16 pills, Xanax, but decided not to investigate further to see if he had a legal right to possess the others. After we investigated, the Seminole Brevard State Attorney's Office last week ordered what Titusville police did not, a lab test to determine exactly what's contained in those pills.
Could you have charged him with both DUI and possession of the drugs?
Technically, as a possibility, we could have charged him with both, but as a routine, we do not do that. I discussed that with our drug agents, and for such a small amount, they do not come up with additional charges.
Hutchinson said Wheeler receives no special treatment because he's a drug agent.
None of the influence. I was running evidence at the...
The evidence was marijuana from an arrest Wheeler made 6 hours earlier in Cocoa Beach. But police asked prosecutors to drop that case and another because of Wheeler's arrest later that day. And defense attorneys are taking note.
What is the defense attorney led to believe about this officer?
Well, obviously, he's got a severe credibility problem. He's got the same kind of drugs that are involved in the cases that he's prosecuting. The officer has come under suspicion.
Her client faces a 25-year minimum mandatory sentence if convicted of selling Wheeler 70 tablets of oxycodone, one of the drugs found in Wheeler's urine the night he was arrested.
All right, sir. I need you to put your hands behind your back, okay? Are you on any medications that could impair your driving ability?
No, I'm working, no.
Wheeler's awaiting trial on the DUI. He's on administrative leave with pay, about $42,000 a year from Cocoa Beach Police. He'd been on loan to the Brevard County Sheriff's Task Force from 2007 until his arrest line.
Well, I know you probably reached out to him. Did he have anything to say?
We tried, but he can't comment while under investigation. But his attorney said that once all the evidence comes out, we'll see that, quote, things are not as they appear. We'll see.
All right. Good story. Thank you, Tony.
Thank you.